शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all viewers. Our today's lecture is the work done in gravitational field is independent of the path. Before starting the lecture, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future videos. So let's start our lecture. As we have discussed in our previous lectures, the work done in the gravitational field is independent of the path followed by the object. It depends on the initial and final position of an object. You can click on the end card to the top right corner of this video to watch my previous lecture. In this lecture, we will prove this property of the conservative field. Here you can see a diagram of a right-angled triangle with points A, B and C. An object of mass m is placed at point A and its weight is acting vertically downward. As the property of weight, there are three different paths for the object to reach from A to C. The first one is direct path from A to C is named displacement D, and indirect paths are A to B as displacement D1 and B to C as displacement D2. An angle theta is made between sides AB and AC. As per the property of conservative field, the work done while moving an object directly from A to C should be equal to the amount of total amount of work done from point A to B and then B to C. If so, then it will prove that the gravitational field is a conservative field. Now let us see what amount of work will be done while following these paths. It is clear from the animation that while moving from point A to point B, the direction of weight and displacement D1 is same, which is toward the downward direction. So the angle made between force, which is the weight, and the displacement D1 is 0 degree. So in this case the theta is 0 degree. So according to the equation for the work, W is equal to FD cos of theta. So W A to B is equal to F displacement. We are replacing displacement as D1 cos of theta. So for force, we are replacing with the weight, because the weight of this object, that is the gravitational pull of the earth, is the responsible for its motion. So W D1 cos of theta, theta is 0 degree. So cos of 0 is always 1. Okay, so the result of this work is W, which is weight, multiplied by D1. Now let's allow the object to move from point B to C to reach its destination. Here we can see that the direction of displacement D2 is toward the left and the direction of weight is still toward the downward direction. So the angle being made between these two vectors is 90 degree. So in this case, work done from B to C, the theta is 90 degree, and according to the formula, putting the values in the formula, the cos of 90 degree is always 0. So here the amount of work done in this case by taking this object from B to C is 0. So we are going to find out the total amount of work done. So total work, that is from A to C via the point B, is W A to B plus W B to C. So W A to B, the value is W D1 and W B to C's answer is 0. So we get the result W D1. This is the total amount of work done. Now let's move the object directly from A to C. You can see that now the direction of displacement is at some angle theta, but the direction of weight is vertically downward. So work done due to this path will become W A to C is equal to FD cos of theta, and the answer we will get W D1. Now the question arises, how I replace this D cos of theta with this D1. So let's check it out. According to this angle, side BC is perpendicular and Side AB is base and side AC is hypotenuse. Check out my lecture for the basic concept of the right angle triangle to understand this concept. I will put the link in the description box, you can check it out. As we know that cos of theta is always base over hypotenuse. So here, according to this triangle, the base is D1 and hypotenuse is D. So I can write D cos of theta is equal to D1. So this is how I put D cos of theta equal to D1 in this equation. So finally you can see that the work done in both direct and indirect path is same. Hence it is proved that here the gravitational field is conservative. In the next lecture we will see how work done due to the gravitational field in the closed path is zero. So this was our today's lecture. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video and learned something from it, then hit the like button and share it to the others. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.